Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to enable zoom to fill on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable zoom to fill on YouTube, first open up a YouTube app on your phone. And on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and when you land on this interface, again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings or the gear icon available for us. Tap on that settings or the gear icon at the top right, and when this interface appears, again we'll be required to tap on the general option available for us over here just above the account. Tap on general, and now you can see guys the option where it says zoom to fill. And in order to enable zoom to fill on YouTube, make sure the zoom to fill options toggle icon at the right side is turned on to blue like this. And with that being done guys, your zoom to fill feature on YouTube will be enabled. And there guys, this is how to enable zoom to fill on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.